How to connect a P-trap for your bathroom faucet. You want to first cut your pipe back there and grab your trap adapter and some glue. You're going to glue the trap adapter to the pipe back there. Always do inside glue first. Glue it on there like so. Then you get your trap arm and you get one nut. Slide it over like this. Another nut like that. Gasket here. Like so. Then you put your trap arm in the trap adapter. You can thread it on just a little bit. That's fine, right there. Get your P-trap extension, open it up and cut it. Get the length that you need and there you go. Then you put a nut like that with a gasket there. And then we're gonna do the same on the faucet trap arm. Same with right there. Put the nut and then gasket and then extension. Screw it in. Then you slide your P-trap on. Go there. Tighten down all your nuts. I like to hit them with a pair of channel locks after just to get them all tight. Give them all just a little bit of tightening with the channel locks. And there you go. There's your P-trap.